Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap a blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap save. Go back and now let's go to gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.